a sad, sad day, guys. We're saying goodbye to the GTR for now. What's up, guys? Thank you for watching another video. Like I said, today is a little bit sad. We are saying goodbye to the GTR for now. The garage is literally so empty, bro. I don't have the Z, I don't have the GTR, I don't have the E46. Nothing, bro. I'm literally carless right now. Everything's down. Right now, I'm just waiting on the tow truck to come and pick up the GTR. But the GTR is gone, guys. It's going to the homie shop. My homie Chris, he has a shop down in Orange County. If you guys have a GTR yourself and want maintenance, he is the guy to go to, guys. He knows everything about GTRs. And I know he's going to figure out what's wrong with the GTR and help me out. Get the car running 100% again. I've been showing him videos on the phone, but like I just want to send him the car so he can actually tell me exactly what's wrong with the car. And he can fix what's wrong with it too. Literally completely carless, dude. I don't know how I'm going to get to all these car meets this weekend because there's a lot of car events this weekend. But yeah, the GTR is gone, guys. I'm really crossing my fingers and I'm hoping to God that it's nothing too expensive on the car. If you guys haven't watched any of the last videos and don't know what I'm talking about, the transmission light came on the GTR. It said transmission malfunction. Then it started shifting super weird. It only had odd gears, I believe even gears. I think it was 2, 4, 6. The rest of the gears were gone. Not even reverse, bro. It was completely gone. At that moment, I was like, wow, my GTR is done, bro. I hit up Chris. He told me, try to clear the codes, see what happens. So I cleared the codes. The light went away and I started driving perfectly normal again. But now when I'm driving it, there's no lights on the car anymore, but now when I'm driving it, I hear like a little grinding noise. So I completely parked the car. I haven't driven it since. I don't want to mess it up or cause more damage if there's any damage at all right now. So the best thing I can do right now is just tow it to the homie Chris and he can figure it out. He knows GTRs like the back of his hand, bro. He knows everything about them. So I'm sure he's going to figure out what's wrong with it and diagnose it. Anyways, thank you guys for watching another video. If you guys are new to the channel, smash the like button right now. Hit the subscribe button right now. And let's get into the rest of the video. All right, guys. The tow truck's here. This is the worst thing, guys. This is the worst feeling ever when your car breaks down. Especially putting on a tow truck, bro. It's so sad, but hopefully it gets back soon. And hopefully we can start driving the GTR again. I just need this thing back 100% again. Honestly, doesn't look too happy. I think he thinks the car's too low, but we'll see. I hope he doesn't break my lip, bro. That's a $1,600 lip. I'm already down money on the transmission, probably. Hopefully he's super careful with it. It's not that low. A little bit. We do got a flatbed, though, so we'll see. But I feel like he's not gonna want to tow it, guys. You know what's actually happened to me before in my A92? I waited like a whole hour for a tow truck in my M3. And when the tow truck guy pulled up, he said it was way too low and he was not gonna risk it. So he left me stranded with a broken E92 M3 in the middle of the freaking, I was in the hood, bro. I had to wait for another tow truck to come for another hour. It was horrible. So hopefully this guy tows my GTR today. It's too low?
Ya, tal vez la AAA va a tener otra compañía que lo haga.
Another company?
Sí, another company, ya. Ya, como esos que se doblan así, claro.
Even if I have like wood maybe, or no? He doesn't want to tow it, guys. I told you. Now we gotta call AAA again. Bro, it's so annoying, bro. Like I get he doesn't want to break it, but some guys don't even want to try. Like he didn't even want to try it. That happened to me before, I'm telling you. I gotta wait for another tow truck. I knew it was gonna happen. Guys, probably like 5 hours later, bro, a new tow truck pulled up. Let's see if he can tow it. The guy came at 9 in the morning and he told me the same thing, and I've been waiting like 5 hours for another tow truck.
Yeah.
Finally, the second person come out like 5 hours later.
Okay, this is what I'm gonna tell you right now, right? Because you had that body spoiler on the bottom, because it's carbon fiber. If it breaks, snaps because of the cable, because I'm gonna have to hook it up and pull it up.
I can drive it up.
Oh, you can do it even with that, because the angle of my bed.
Because I've had this shit's been told before.
Yeah.
By multiple people.
Okay.
And the car's been like this too, so I know it can make it up.
Okay.
And the last guy, he didn't even want to attempt it, and I was like, can we at least try? Because I know.
I'll try it out.
Yeah.
This is what I'm gonna do. Like I said, I want to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Any damage that occur at this point in time, it's gonna be on you.
I mean, we can just be as careful as possible, and we can just.
Yeah, no, I get it. I get it, but I'd rather be honest with somebody.
Yeah.
When you get a lower truck, I have a lower truck available. It'll work that way, because this is what I'll do. I'm gonna stay here until you get here, because I'm gonna help her get it all done with. All right, give me a minute. Me on the radio. Give me 1 second.
Thank you. All right, guys. Well, let's hope they can do it. He said he's gonna send another tow truck. He said that he has like a buddy with a lower tow truck. The other guy didn't even want to attempt it. This guy's actually trying to help me, but from the last time I filmed, it's been like 5 hours. That was 9:30 in the morning. Right now is 3:56, almost 4 p.m. guys. Damn, it's been like 6 hours, dude. Oh my God. What you do is just get this car to my homie shop, bro, and I know they can do it. Like, my car's been towed before. You guys have seen it in the vlogs. Let's hope, guys. Like, they got a smaller truck now. That's a big boy. Hopefully the smaller one will be able to do it. He's gonna help us out too, so. Shout out to these guys. These are actually trying to attempt to tow it. The last tow truck company, dude didn't even want to tow it, bro. Right when he pulled up, he already had like a mad face, bro. Like, he did not like his job at all. Some guys come and they pull up and they see a GTR and they're like, damn, I'm down to tow it. That's a happened one. Some kid towed my car. He was so hyped to tow it. Hopefully we can tow it, guys. Keep going?
A little more. Right there, perfect. Yeah.
It cleared it though, pretty good?
It cleared it.
It just like barely drags.
Yeah, barely drags.
Okay. There you go, guys. We got it on. Honestly, it wasn't bad at all, bro. Like, it barely rubbed the bottom, but like, that's how it happens every time we go on driveways and stuff like that. I knew we can do it. There it goes, guys. The GTR's gone. It's so sad. Hopefully, it's not too expensive to fix this freaking car, guys, and hopefully we get it back soon. Alright guys, we just made it to a car meet now. Not in my car, the homie Peter picked me up. Sadly, I don't have my freaking car, bro. I don't even know what I'm gonna do tomorrow, because tomorrow is a big car meet too. But anyways, we made it here to the car meet. We're back at one of these. You guys all know these tend to get a little crazy at the end, so probably see some burnouts, some revving, some two steps, maybe cops.
We love the cops.
That's my Uber right here, guys. I'm gonna have to be passenger princess.
This guy wants to drive a Nissan instead of a BMW.
Should go get the BMW ASAP. Little update on the F80. I'm gonna go look at it one more time. Maybe with one of the PQ guys, so we get like a second opinion, make sure it's all good. But yeah, F80 is coming soon, guys. I think we're gonna cop that one. Comment down below. Should I get the F80? If you haven't watched that video, go watch it. But damn, the old FindingNick right here, guys. The Z. Look at my old bumper too. Not gonna lie though, I don't miss it.
It was a cool little car.
It's cool, but I know I'm gonna enjoy the F80 way more.
It was different.
I seen you.
I'm not here.
Hi. How are you? If you guys want to find Chris or Super Suspects, just come to one of these meets.
Bro, we're finding Nick today, not Chris.
Look at the wheels on this Prius, guys. Damn, that shit looks hard. Got the hood open and everything. Got hella Mopars here. Some F80s over there. My boy David pulled up. M4 Austin Yellow. What do you guys think? You like it? M4 is pretty sick too, but I like the F80. This is way wider.
He has Marina.
And 4 doors, more
storage.
He has Marina M4, red interior. Sheesh. That shit fire. You think it's their car?
I hope so.
She'll gap you, Peter.
He really won't.
That's a cool spec, the red on blue.
That's pretty clean. I like it.
Bro, look at all of these Mopars, dude. Challengers, Chargers, everything. There's literally like, bro, at least 20. Oh my God, look at this dog, guys. That fool's so cute. What? Yeah, there's so many freaking Chargers here. That's crazy. I feel like these guys will do some burnouts later on. I'm sure we're gonna see at least one burnout today, I'm sure. This Mustang's clean. Clean, clean, clean. What do you guys think he's doing? Getting ready for the burnouts? Getting ready to get ratchet? Oh shoot, Peter. Is it a V?
Yeah, it is.
Algatos? Oh my gosh. Look at this F80, guys. I can't wait. We're this close to getting one, guys. This close. Almost. This is pretty sick. Silverstone too. Not that many people mod them, I feel like, bro. There's a lot of like stock. All these ones have stock wheels. Have you noticed?
BMW actually has some clean stock wheels.
Yeah, the stocks are nice, but yeah, it's like no one goes to the extent to mod it. David's is hella modded, low-key.
Yeah, David
I'm surprised, bro.
David's a full-on race car.
David actually did a lot of stuff to his F80. More cars are pulling up. This suit metallic. That shit clean, bro. Carbon fiber front end. Sounds good too. There's a lot of cars out here today. Oh, little RC. One and only Go Yard J. And an F80 or M4. Bro, why are there so many F80s here? That's crazy. Guys, I really feel like just me mentioning F80s in all my vlogs, I feel like I'm starting like a trend, bro, like a hype for F80. That's probably why there's none for sale anymore. All you guys are copying them before I could. Damn.
Park on the edge.
Go your J?
Is that
Go your Bay?
is that Finding Hollow?
Damn, that thing's nice. Is that Millennium Jade?
See, look it.
Jumped on
437s.
Same. Stock wheels, bro. Everybody.
The FindingNick speeding has a little spacer in the back though.
My shit about to have T's. Oh! We just saw someone curve their wheel. Poor wheel. Bro, I want to get a drift car, guys. Little RC. Oh, it's in the whole corner. Oh. Damn, sick ass food. What kind of rap is that, bro? Look at that. I knew you was gonna do something. Jay. Yeah, that shit was hella loud. Burnt. It doesn't look as green on camera, but guys, Millennium Jade. It's fire. I'm surprised everyone's staying chill, guys. No one's done any burnouts yet. It's kind of like a real park and show right now. Okay, Maka. Why is this car so small? That shit is tiny. It is right-hand drive. What the heck? Look at next to that guy, guys. Look how small it is compared to him.
Imagine Yusuf in it.
These guys are having their own rev battle right now. The Beamer and this Mustang. God damn! Whoa, that shit is hella loud. Whoa! God damn, that shit hurts. Whoa, there's no way it's that loud, guys. What did I tell you? I knew it, guys. I knew someone was gonna do a burnout. As soon as one person starts, it all starts, bro. Go do it! Go do a burnout! God damn! Well, that shit hurts so bad. I can't. Literally a hole in the exhaust. Bro, that is ridiculous, bro. I literally don't understand how these Mustangs aren't blowing their engines, bro. Oh! Oh, that's insane. God damn. That guy's gonna blow his engine, bro. 100%. That guy's been revving it for like 20 minutes straight, bro. Oh, that one wheel burnout. Sheesh. I knew it. I knew this was gonna happen, guys. As soon as one person starts, everyone goes crazy. Oh! Cars full of hot. Oh my god. Look, it's like a Fast and Furious movie. Everyone runs to their cars, guys, as soon as cops pull up. Oh, they're gonna block this. Oh, they're gonna pull him over. He still has smoke coming out of his tires. No way he's gonna try to run. Oh, they didn't let him go?
Wow.
Oh, he blocked that guy in.
Turn off those cars right now.
gunshot. They just had time to go. I think they're being chill. Again, guys, I don't condone this stuff. I'm just here filming the content for you guys. I'm not telling these people to do this. I just know it's gonna happen, bro. It just happens to every car me nowadays. Well, these guys are crazy. Oh, there's just gunshots going on over there.
Y'all can have that.
Oh, we out, guys. No ticket today.
On to the next one.
Everyone just went crazy out of nowhere, dude. Yeah, Supra. That shit nice.
Everybody all of a sudden has money to get tires.
I don't know how that Mustang didn't blow his engine, bro. He revved it for at least 20 minutes straight. Straight. No brakes. There's no way that's good for that car, bro. I look comps, guys. Oh, that F80s. David?
Dang, David!
All these beepers. Oh! It's a gas Peter. Well, that's what 340.
Why you take off a little
Oh!
Feel me? I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25, I'm thinking God.